What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that little post notification bell to be notified for new and upcoming videos that I post. Please don't forget to follow me on all platforms. On TikTok, glamorous_girl with the double L's at the end, and then on Instagram at the real pretty girl E, and I'll be sure to follow back. As you can tell by the title, today we are shopping at Burlington, and they're supposed to be having like a summer clearance sale. So we finna go see what that be talking about. Because y'all know your girl like shopping on a budget. Your girl like shopping and saving money. So we finna go see what they talk about. So I'll get back to you guys when I get inside the store. Okay, guys. So we have arrived at Burlington. And I'm walking across the paveway. Period. Okay, guys. So, you know, I gotta get a buggy. And I got one. So just don't forget to put y'all bags in the thing. So let's go. So guys, they got all their school stuff. It's pretty empty. They just opened, so yeah. Look at their clearance section, y'all. This is what I came here for. So let's see. Y'all's music in here, so let's see what we can find. So we're gonna start at the tops, and we're gonna see what tops we can find. So far I'm finding nothing. They got their music a little loud today, so I'm not gonna be on here long. Okay, y'all. I found this. Cute. So maybe. Okay, y'all, so we didn't find nothing right there. I'm gonna try to go on the men's side as well, because they be having like a lot of nice stuff too. But yeah, I don't really find nothing over here like that. Y'all look. His will, his way, my faith. But the only thing is, y'all, it's in an extra large, and I cannot deal with that. Okay, y'all, so I don't find nothing, unfortunately. So they have a lot of stuff right here, so let's see what we can find. In the medium section, let's see what we can find. Because, y'all got the little crazy looking stuff on sale. Like Burlington, y'all could have did better. Literally. I don't see no graphic shirts yet. No, really nothing. Okay, so this is everything. I'll be right back. Yeah, so I found a section tons under $10. So yeah, let's go through and see what they're talking about. Yeah, the music is extremely loud today, literally. So let's see what we can find. Okay, if y'all know me, I'm not a crop top type of girl, but we're gonna just see what they got. Y'all look. Living my best life, and it's pink. It don't got no tag on it. Y'all look. Okay, y'all, so far I got a jacket. Yeah, this is so cute. Okay, y'all, so we in the men's section now. Let me show y'all what I found. Y'all look. Nice two-piece set. But wait. Look at the other. Nice two-piece set. The original price is $24.99 and it's on sale for $17.49. I told y'all they be having nice stuff. I told y'all. Okay, y'all, so I ain't really found nothing. So, yeah, I'm in the home section now. I'm in the home section, y'all, because my baby really need a bed set, like, but I want something girly. I don't want something just, you know, I want something girly, and she need a whole comforter set. They got this twin set right here, but okay, y'all, so I'm in another section, y'all. Look what I found. A Adidas shirt. Regular price is $10, on clearance for $7.19. And I'm finna get it. Look. But I'm gonna have to start finding some bottoms. Cause at this point, I'm not gonna be buying all these shirts that don't got no bottoms. Yeah, they got a Tommy jacket. A Tommy jacket. A Fila jacket. I mean a sweater, not a jacket, a sweater. Okay, y'all. I'll be right back when I get to the purses. Okay, y'all. So we in the purses now. So, y'all, look what I found. Steve Madden purse for $40. This for these females that like these big body purses. It's just not my style. I'll continue looking. Oh, I found another Steve Madden for $35. I'm looking for a certain specific color. For the girls that like this is couture, $30. There's not too much colors over here. For the females that like and Klein. Y'all look at this G-Bar gas. So y'all, I ain't really see nothing. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this video for real, because it's short and sweet. It's just a little shop with me. So yeah, I have plenty more videos coming. Stay tuned. Continue to share and tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm very appreciative. Thank you to everybody who subscribed to me. Thank you to everybody who like and comment on my stuff. I really do appreciate the love. But don't forget to follow me on all platforms. TikTok, Instagram, everything will be down in the description box below. Bye, peace, and bless to you guys. I love y'all, and road to success.